Okay, so slight problem we noticed that I made a mistake. It's not crazy, it's not crazy. It was the night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, because they know if they touch my Christmas tree. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree using all of these bulbs and make the tree topper out of ribbons on top. Which sounds crazy, but it's not crazy.
It's not crazy, it's not crazy.
It's just normal organizing. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to set up my Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. I'm so excited. So keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so let's set up my Christmas tree. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get the couch behind me out of the way. So now I have a spot for the Christmas tree in front of the window, so now I'm going to set up the base. Now that the tree is set up, I just need to plug in the lights, the top, the middle, and the bottom to each other, and then I'll plug it into the wall, and we'll make sure that all the lights still work. Okay, so the good news is, all the lights on the tree still appear to be working. Instead of a traditional fabric tree skirt, I got a pine wooden box. I took the bottom off of it, and I stained it. And so that's what I use as a tree skirt. So I just put that there, lift the tree up, put the base inside there. Like that. There we go. Okay, so I've got my 5 totes of Christmas decorations here, and next I'm going to sort out which ones I'm going to use and which ones I'm not going to use, because I like to switch the colors that I use each year. So some of these I used last year and I won't use this year, and some of them I didn't use last year and I will use this year, so I need to sort out which ones I'm going to use. Which sounds crazy, but it's not crazy, it's just normal organizing. Okay, I got my bulbs sorted out and I got some red ones. So before I start adding on any ornaments, I'm going to add some extra lights on the inside of the tree. The lights that I'm adding are clear mini lights, and they have 16 different functions. They're by the brand Holiday Time, and I got them at Walmart. They were $19.98. So as you can see here, I'm sorting out the Christmas ornaments by color. On the floor there's a lot of silver ones, some of them have patterns, some of them don't, so I'm just organizing which ones I'm going to use this year and going through and removing any broken ones and any that are the wrong size. Okay, so now we're on day number 3, and I'm going to go through all the ornaments and make sure that they all have hooks on them, and then I'll start putting them on the tree. So last night it snowed, so I woke up this morning and there's snow outside, so it's perfect timing for Christmas decorating. I love decorating for Christmas. The only thing I like about snow is the way it makes Christmas lights look. Okay, so as you can see here, I've started to sort out the different rows of colors of ornaments that I'm going to put on the tree. So I just did a loose layout on the floor before I get started putting them on the tree, because I've done this a number of times, and there's nothing worse than putting 100 ornaments on a tree and then having to take them all back off and start over. Alright, so the time is here to start putting the ornaments on, so wish me luck. Okay, so I've got the first black and silver row, next I'm gonna add white. Okay, so a number of hours later, I have all the ornaments put on the tree, and I like how that turned out. So I'm just gonna plug the lights in now so you can see the lights. Tomorrow I will clean up some of this mess, and there's a few other added touches that I like to add onto the Christmas tree as well. So I'll show you what else I'm going to do, and I'm going to count how many bulbs ended up on the tree, but that is my decorated Christmas tree. Okay, so this is the tree topper that I used last year, and so I made that with the help of my sister, and that's some ribbons tied into bows and whatever that looks really nice on top of the tree. But this year I want to make a new one that has red in it, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, to get started on the bow, you want to take the biggest ribbon, which I'm going to use this one here, red and black. And you want to start with the first tail as long as you want it. So I'm going to want mine probably about that long. Maybe a little longer, you can always cut it. And then you start making the bows. So we're going to do this. You just pinch the ribbon there. We're going to do 8, so that's 1. So I was doing it wrong. So this is the proper method now. So you start your first bow here and then go across like an 8 and hold there and repeat. Now we need to tie this with a piece of ribbon. And just cut off the excess. Okay, so that is the first row there. And now we're going to repeat that with this one, but just a little bit smaller. So again, we're going to do that 8 shape, sort of like that, and back and forth. Start pretty small and then get bigger. And for this row, I'm just going to do 6 bows like that, and then I'm going to tie it again there. And that will be the next layer. So we attach those together again with a piece of ribbon. Just want to tie the center of those together. And you can see you've got the first 2 rows situated. And then I'm going to add on, I think we're going to go with this one. Put that right in the center. So I'm just going to tie that into the middle as well so that it doesn't fall off. So just put that there. And use that ribbon, the long one from before. And just tie that in. Now, curl the ends of this. Okay, and now we sort it out. So we just want to sort of bend it into a nice bow shape. And to get these tails nice and curled, you can just wrap them around your fingers like that. So they've got wire in them. So just twist those and they'll make a nice tail. Alright, so you've got the twisted tails and the ribbons all in there, and that's how I make my tree topper. And you can just keep playing around with it until it looks the way you want. And you can cut the ends of the ribbons. Then I just play around with it until I get it looking how I want it. And that's it. Okay, so this is my tree topper, and I'm just going to use an ornament hook, and I'm going to loop that through the back, and I'm going to hook it onto the top of the tree. I'm just going to stick it through the back of the ribbon that's there. So then I just like to retwist the tails to adjust them to make them nice and curly. Okay, so I think the long tails are a little too long, so I'm just going to shorten those up. Okay, so that's my Christmas tree all complete. Thanks for watching how to decorate your Christmas tree with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you for another video next time, and have a very Merry Christmas! Okay, so slight problem I noticed that I made a mistake. This row of white is supposed to be red, and this row of red is supposed to be white. So now I've got to fix that.